This is Professional P6. Is the topic we're going to treat today. So I want you to take a pen and your writing material. I also want you to pay attention, and after the class, just before the end of the class, write down your question. At the end of the class, you post your question and I will answer your questions accordingly. Okay? My name is Olakunle Babalola. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm an Oracle Primavera implementation specialist. We have custom Primavera P6 classes and Primavera consulting services. You can request to have an instructor develop customized P6 curriculum to suit your company's more specific needs, and then have the course taught at your business location. So you can contact us for a needs assessment and a quote. Alright, Nigeria mobile line is 07063968047. Okay, plan, build and operate assets with Oracle Primavera. Oracle Construction and Engineering Primavera software suite offers powerful, robust and easy to use cloud and on-premise applications for globally prioritizing, planning, managing and delivering successful projects, programs and portfolios. With applications spanning project scheduling, cost and project controls, portfolio management, construction, document management, analytics, and risk analysis. Oracle Primavera software suite enables builders, engineers, and project owners in asset-intensive industries to improve outcomes across project life cycle. So you just see as a brief introduction to Oracle Primavera. I'm just launching Oracle Primavera P6 Professional. Oracle Primavera P6 Professional is what we are going to be taught in this class. We also have Oracle Primavera P6 EPPM. EPPM means Enterprise Project Portfolio Management, which is an enterprise base, while our class for today, Primavera P6 Professional, is a window base. Alright, we also have Primavera P6 Professional that is connected to EPPM database. Alright, but in this case, this is a standalone. So the standalone version is the Primavera P6 Professional. Okay, the database is standalone. So this is what we'll be looking at. Alright, this is how the interface look like. Alright, but we'll quickly do justice by introducing us to what we're about to learn, the importance of Oracle Primavera and the process, the foundation laying of building our project. Yes, the requirement for this Primavera is that you should have a project management fundamentals and knowledge or training. But I'll quickly take us through this, at least for us to have understanding of the process of setting up our project using Oracle Primavera P6. Alright, thank you. Here I go, take my slide, prepare a slide for us to enjoy this class. Let's go. Here we go. To let us know a brief background, about Oracle Primavera. It interests us to know that Oracle Primavera P6 is a comprehensive multi-project planning and control software built on Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server and relational databases for enterprise-wide project management. P6 Professional can stand alone for project and resource management, and it enables the organization to store and manage its project in a central location. The module supports web data structures, that's WBS, organization data structures, that's OBS, and user-defined fields and codes, critical path method, that's CPM scheduling, and resource leveling. P6 Professionals enable you to build, prioritize, plan, administer, and manage multiple projects, optimize limited shared resources, control changes, and consistently move projects to on-time and on-budget completion. It provides customizable interfaces, scalable and flexible tools, and easy integration with project management software outside of the P6 suite, including Oracle Contractor, Microsoft Project, and Microsoft Excel. P6 Professional provides an enterprise project structure, that is EPS, which enables project managers to manage multiple projects from the highest level of the organization to the individuals that perform specific project tasks. Multiple users can access the same project concurrently. It also provides integrated risk management, issue tracking, management by threshold, a tracking feature that enables you to perform dynamic cross-project rollouts of cost, schedule, and end value. It also provides work products and documents that can be assigned to activities and managed centrally. It also provides a visualizer, which allows you to create time-based Gantt and timescale logic diagram reports. It also provides resource and role administration. So it provides a report wizard that helps you create customized reports to extract any data from the P6 Professional database. Alright, yeah, it's good and it's getting more interesting. Yeah. Now, why use P6 Professional? What is important? You know, large businesses typically have hundreds or even thousands of projects underway at one time to create new products and services that be their future. These projects cross million business hierarchies and chains of command, making project management an organization-wide challenge. The pressure to complete projects on time, within budget, and maintain a competitive edge is driving corporations to develop and implement an project management process. We are moving away from a traditional functional structure to a multi-project organization that must achieve clear, often urgent goals using limited shared resources. They need a faster business payback from those projects to realize potential revenue and increase shareholders' equity. Isn't that interesting? P6 Professional provides comprehensive information on all projects in an organization, from executive level summaries to detailed plans by project. Individuals across all levels of the company can analyze, record, and communicate reliable information and make timely, informed decisions that support their corporate mission. By putting the right tools in the right hands, P6 Professionals enable an organization to make strategic business decisions, control the minute detail that is necessary to finish projects, understand current resource demands, set priorities, and evaluate long-term staffing requirements. Use skilled resources effectively and productively. And lastly, reorganize projects to fit shifting priorities without sacrificing quality. Wow, this is interesting. Alright, very, very interesting. So, with this understanding of Oracle Primavera, we are going to move to the very, very, very crucial and must know step or process of building your project plan. Alright, so that is what I titled P6 Professional Process Overview. So the P6 Process Overview, the hierarchical structure of data, serves as a foundation before the addition of actual project data. So underline the word foundation before the addition of actual project data. So it comprises 5 simple steps to setting up your foundation for building a project plan. Alright, so the first one is setting up the EPS. Number 2 is setting up the OBS. Number 3 is setting up resources. Number 4 is setting up rules, and number 5 setting up the WBS. Very, very crucial. We must know this foundation. So your project plan is built upon this foundation.